Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about Amazon SEO ranking and how to rank higher on Amazon. When it comes to selling online, standing out is essential, and mastering Amazon's ranking algorithm is the key to success. Understanding how to rank higher on Amazon can significantly impact your sales and visibility. We're going to be looking at everything from click-through rates to conversion ratios, pricing strategies, and keyword optimization. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to propel your products to the top of Amazon's search rankings and unlock the full potential of your online business. So let's get started. To begin with, there are a few terms that we need to understand. The first one is click-through rate, or CTR. CTR measures the percentage of users who click on your product listing after seeing it in the search results. A higher CTR indicates that your product's title, image, and overall presentation are compelling and relevant to the user's search query. The next one is conversion ratio. This refers to the percentage of users who not only click on your product, but also make a purchase. Amazon rewards listings with high conversion ratios as they demonstrate that the product effectively meets the needs and expectations of the customers. We then have pricing strategy. Amazon considers pricing as a significant factor in its ranking algorithm. While competitive pricing is essential, Amazon often favors listing with higher prices, especially if they maintain a consistent sales volume and conversion rate. This preference aligns with Amazon's goal of maximizing revenue. We then have relevancy. Relevancy refers to how well your product matches the user's search intent. Amazon's algorithm analyzes various factors including keywords, product descriptions, and category placement to determine the relevance of your listing in the user's query. Optimizing your listings with relevant keyword and accurate categorization enhances its visibility and ranking. Finally, we have sales volume. Sales volume plays a crucial role in Amazon's ranking algorithm. The platform prioritizes listings from sellers with a history of consistent sales and positive customer feedback. High sales volume not only boosts your ranking, but also builds trust with Amazon and potential customers, leading to increased visibility and organic growth. With this information, we can optimize your product listing for Amazon. Let's dive into the key strategies for maximizing your Amazon SEO potential. Firstly, we need to utilize relevant keywords. Incorporating relevant keywords into your product titles, descriptions, and back-end search terms is key to improving discoverability. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify terms that align with your product and resonate with your target audience. Utilize tools like Amazon search bar suggestions, keyword research tools, and competitor analysis to uncover high-performing keywords. Next, we need to look at product relevance and category placement. Ensuring that your product is accurately categorized and placed within relevant categories is essential for optimizing search visibility. Choose the most appropriate category and subcategories that accurately reflect your product's features, benefits, and intended use. Proper categorization enhances your product's visibility to users browsing specific categories and improves its chances of appearing in relevant search results. Then we need to manage sales volume and inventory. Consistent sales volume and effective inventory management are critical factors in Amazon's ranking algorithm. Maintaining a steady stream of sales signals to Amazon that your product is in demand and resonates with customers. Additionally, ensuring that adequate inventory levels prevents stockouts, maintains product availability, and minimizes disruption in sales momentum. Another thing we need to consider is competitive pricing strategy. Pricing plays a pivotal role in influencing consumer purchasing decisions and can impact your product's ranking on Amazon. While competitive pricing is essential for attracting customers, it's equally important to strike a balance between profitability and competitiveness. Amazon often favors listings with higher prices, especially if they demonstrate a strong sales history, conversion rate, and customer satisfaction. And finally, you need to target long-tail keywords and niche markets. In addition to optimizing for popular keywords, targeting long-tail keywords and niche markets can offer untapped opportunities for increased visibility and reduced competition. Long-tail keywords are specific multi-word phrases that cater to niche audiences and often have lower search volumes but higher conversion rates. Identify relevant long-tail keywords related to your product's unique features, benefits, and use cases to attract highly targeted traffic and improve conversion rates. Once you've got your long tail keywords, you can implement them into product titles and descriptions for maximum visibility. Here's how to optimize these elements effectively. When it comes to product titles, you need to craft concise, descriptive product titles that include relevant keywords. Front load your title with the most important keywords to capture the attention of Amazon's algorithm and potential customers. Prioritize clarity and readability by avoiding excessive punctuation, special characters, or unnecessary information. Keep titles within Amazon's character limits to ensure they display properly across all devices. Incorporate key product attributes such as brand name, product type, size, color, and material to provide users with essential information at a glance. For product descriptions, write compelling and informative product descriptions that highlight the key features, benefits, and unique selling points of your product. Structure your product descriptions logically with clear headings, bullet points, and paragraphs to enhance readability and comprehension. Break down complex information into digestible chunks to make it easier for users to absorb. Incorporate relevant keywords naturally throughout your product descriptions to improve search visibility and enhance organic ranking. Avoid keyword stuffing or over-optimization, as this can detract from the user experience and harm your credibility. So we've covered the essential techniques, from understanding Amazon's algorithm to optimizing your product listings for maximum visibility. As you embark on implementing these insights, remember that success on Amazon is an ongoing process. By prioritizing elements like click-through rates, conversion ratios, and pricing strategies, you're equipping yourself with the tools needed to rank highly on Amazon. The importance of using relevant keywords and fine-tuning your titles and descriptions cannot be overstated, as they form the foundation of a robust SEO approach. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your selling.